What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tre Wats with ClonzTV, and today I'm going to do an unboxing on the DJI Avata 2. Now, before we get to it, as you can see, I got an SD card because I don't think an SD card comes with it. What accessory is this? I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's to protect, you know, the camera from getting damaged. You see that right there? You see the sides? This is a strap for this controller right here, just in case, you know, you might drop the controller, but you got the strap. And this right here, I heard a lot of good things about this controller, so I heard you could do more with this controller, so we will see. And this is landing gear. Okay, Avata 2 landing gear. Go ahead and charge up the batteries, and we're gonna take it for a test flight. All right, so I'll see y'all soon.
One day later.
This location is amazing. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get into sports mode. Now, yesterday when I flew my Avata 2, I was using the motion controller. The controller came with everything in there nice. So this is the controller. I haven't used this controller yet. That is the FPV Remote Control 3.
later.
Wow. The wind is cutting up, man. how the battery life look. Okay, we 90%. Okay, we at 90, 89. The goggles 94. Wow, that wind is cutting up. Let's see if we can go through here. Let's see if we can go through here. Take it easy. Take it easy. Pull up. Woo! That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. So yeah, we're still in normal mode, y'all. Alright. I'm about to switch to sports mode. Alright, we're in sports mode. Let's go over the water. If I lose my drone, I'm in trouble. Oh, we over the water. Oh, this is beautiful, y'all. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this drone. I love it, y'all. I love it. I think I'm gonna take the other controller back. I'm over the water. I can't believe it. Oh, I'm so afraid. That wind is cutting up. Let's bring it down a little bit. Oh, I love this drone, man. I love it. But wow, this drone have range, y'all. And I'm in sports mode, y'all. That other controller going back, man. I don't think I like manual mode. I'm cool with this right here. I'm a casual guy. This is amazing. Okay, we're going back over the water, go down. Oh, let's go up. Now the DJI FPV drone, a lot of people say that drone is powerful, it's fast. It go over, what, 80 something miles an hour? But I'm cool with this, man. I'm cool. This drone have range, y'all. We need to get back. Let me stop. Just turn. Look. Wow. 66. Okay, I'm looking at that battery. High wind, velocity. I love it, y'all. I love it. I love it. We gotta get back. I'm about to go over the water one more time. Woo! Wow, this is amazing, y'all. This is amazing. So I'm going 35 miles an hour. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Let's go up. Let's go up. Nah, cause that wind is cutting up. I don't want to lose my drone. Bring it down. Watching the battery, 58%. Wow. So what we're gonna do, y'all, is go back to the playground, and then I'm done. I just wanted to try a third location. All right, I'm gonna go to sports mode one more time, y'all. Here we go. This was fun. The motion controller, I love it. I love it. It's easy to fly. They say it's for beginners, the motion controller, and that's fine. You call me a beginner, I'm cool with that. I'm a casual flyer. I don't think I'm gonna be doing nothing crazy. The other controller's going back. It's confirmed. So I highly recommend the Avata 2. I give this a 10 out of 10. Motion controller, 10 out of 10. The goggles are not heavy on face. 10 out of 10. I love it. Y'all have a good one. I'm out. Peace.